be shy. Don't be scared. Put that sneezer on that hair. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Liaa. You know it's me. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As y'all can tell by the title, today will be a little cooking vlog or whatever. I'm gonna be cooking it up. Harriet! Gotta cook a little bit, so I just be preparing for when I get a husband. And you know, I'm gonna be cooking for my man, so yeah. But anyways, before we continue, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those post notifications so you get notified every single time that I post. So I'm gonna be cooking chicken Alfredo today. You're probably like, oh, that's simple, but a lot of people don't know how to cook chicken Alfredo, so y'all finna watch me cook chicken Alfredo. And if you don't know how to if you don't know how to cook it, today's the day. Today's the day you're gonna learn. I ordered this stuff because I didn't feel like driving today, so there's that. It should be on its almost here. We'll be back when the groceries are here. So for the seasonings, I have onion powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, black pepper, Creole seasoning, parsley, garlic salt, regular salt. Okay, so that's for the seasonings. You're gonna need some butter, heavy whipping cream, of course your chicken, your noodles, Parmesan cheese, and cream cheese. Okay, then you just need a pot and pan and some grease. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I already washed my hands and I put some water on the stove, so we're gonna let that simmer and then we're gonna drop this in there. This is what we're gonna do first, so the noodles can already start cooking. And you want to put salt in your water so your noodles don't stick to the pan. Like that from my mama. So yeah, so we're gonna put a little salt in the water, not too much. You only need like a little sprinkleette. And while we're letting the water get ready, we're gonna prep our chicken and get it started. Ouch! We're going to clean our chicken. Still a little frozen a little bit. Yeah, let me get some water on these bad boys. Got this many pieces. Oh, using it all. Make sure the water's cold. Okay. Now we're gonna get into seasoning. Y'all, I see people put oil on their chicken. I ain't got olive oil, so we're gonna use what we got, vegetable oil. This is like a game. This is like a game to me. Okay. So you put the oil, then we're gonna go in with our seasonings. We're gonna put some garlics. You should have garlic powder, but if you have garlic salt, that's fine too. I'm supposed to be making a little video. So you're gonna put some on there. Alright, Kahlia, that's enough. Then we're gonna put some onion powder. I guess y'all are watching the behind the scenes of like a TikTok. Huh. That's kind of cool. I smell like fish. What that man?
What that man?
What that man? Your Italiano seasoning. Is this the one I wanted? Okay, I got it open. I've already put Italiano. Now we're going in with the paprika. What? Sometimes. Okay. Creole. Black pepper. You really need black pepper right now. Ooh. Now you're gonna mix. Now you're gonna mix it up, okay? Make sure all the chicken is coated. All right. I feel like I'm just playing in this stuff. Okay. Chicken is seasoned. So we're gonna turn this stove off. Get this motherfucker. There we go, stove on. So we're gonna let it heat up a little bit. And we're gonna pop the bad boys in there. Time for you, commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. Yeah. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. Everything's cooking pretty good. This is the noodles, chicken. This is the chicken that's already done. But I'm off day, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know true. I was always okay, forgot to show y'all, but I poured the noodles in here to drain it. And I'm gonna pour it back. Chicken. So then we're gonna start pouring the sauce. Okay, so we're gonna make the sauce now. We was living fast. Get me high enough. All these people always numb or something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fucking with me, sorry, bro. Always. He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Cross in it fine, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out this truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me, put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that mean pull up. Cross in it fine, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Bitches big, sexy, I'm the chosen one. I drop a bag on your head, I got a lot of fun. And I got them shooters in the cut, they got a lot of guns. Put my little nigga on your ass, he gon' blam some. You know I tore that bitch like a NASCAR. I like Hellcat, start off a lot and make the engine part. Don't put your trust in me, pussy nigga, I'ma break your heart. Yeah, so it's keep getting clumps in here. I'm trying to get all the clumps out. Cause look, I don't look how I want it to look, so I'm just stirring and stirring. Stirring and stirring. Bitch looking bad and got
can hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Cross in the fire and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and oh no, that like you did it. Yeah.
Now is the moment of truth. It's good. My only downside is I wish I made more sauce so it could be way more saucier, but flavors is there. Alright y'all, but that is all for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those post notifications so you're notified every single time that I post. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Bye.